Hello grade 9, this is Batul, an English teacher from Taqarawi School. So after we have discussed the main ideas and the summary of the text about the experience of a lifetime, we're gonna answer the questions about which are related to the text in general. So let's start with the first question. What kinds of ships took part in the Atlantic Challenge? The answer is the ships that took part in the Atlantic Challenge were traditional vessels with sails and rigging. Number 2, who were the crew members on the ships? The answer, the crew members were mostly teenagers on sailing training programs led by experienced sailors. Number 3, according to the article, what locations did the ships pass by? The answer, the ships took a trip from Spain to the Canary Islands, across the Atlantic to Bermuda, reaching the USA, on to Nova Scotia, and then to Belfast. Number 4, why did the organizers plot the ships' positions twice a day? The answer is, this was done so families and friends could follow the ship's progress. Number 4, match the words from the table below with the pictures, then listen and check your answers. So let's read the words here. Number 1, calendar, which is C, calendar. Number 2, yacht. Number 3, sails. Number 4, rigging. Number 5, crew. Number 6, coast. Number 7, map. Number 8, celebration. Number 9, parachuting. And the last one, number 10, ship. We're gonna match each word with the pictures above. So number 2, yacht. Where's the yacht? Yes, the yacht is G. This is a yacht. Number 3, sails. So this is sails. B, sails. Number 4, rigging. Where are the rigging? Yes, the rigging here, F. Crew, where's the crew? The crew is here. This is the group of people. So 5 with E. 6, coast. Coast, this is the coast. No, sorry. The coast is here. This is the coast. G. So 6 with G. Number 7, map. Here's the map. Number 8, celebration. Where's the celebration? Yes, this is the celebration. Number 9, parachuting. Parachuting. This is a parachuting. And number 10, ship. This is the ship. Now let's answer the worksheet about questions on the text on page 66. And let's start with the first question. Question number 1. When did the Tall Ships Atlantic Challenge begin, and how many ships participated in? The answer is the Tall Ships Atlantic Challenge began in 1953 with 20 ships sailing from southern England to Portugal. Number 2, how has the event evolved since 1953, and what is its current status in the sailing calendar? The answer is Since 1953, the event has grown and is now one of the most popular events in the sailing calendar. Number 3, describe the ships that participated in the 2009 Atlantic Challenge, including their origin and the nature of the trip. The answer is the ships in the 2009 Atlantic Challenge were traditional vessels with sails and rigging, originating from Europe, North America, and even Uruguay. Number 4, how long did the 130,000 kilometers trip on the 2009 Atlantic Challenge take to complete, and how many crew members were involved? The answer is the 130,000 kilometer trip of the 2009 Atlantic Challenge took 5 months to complete, involving over 1,000 crew members. Number 5, who primarily made up the crew on these ships, and what training programs were they part of? The answer is most of the crew were teenagers on sail training programs led by experienced sailors. Number 6, detail the route of the 2009 Atlantic Challenge, mentioning key locations from Spain to Nova Scotia. The answer is the 2009 Atlantic Challenge route took the ships from Spain to the Canary Islands, across the Atlantic to Bermuda, then to the USA, and finally racing on to Nova Scotia. Number 7, how did the crew communicate their progress during the race, and how often did they report to the organizers? The answer is the crew reported their progress twice a day at 6 a.m. and 4 p.m. UK time, with positions plotted on a map for families and friends to follow. Number 8, what were the reactions at each port when the ships arrived, and how were the celebrations described? The answer: spectacular celebrations took place at each port when the ships arrived during the race. Number 9, Patrick Kelly. Share Patrick Kelly's sentiments about the experience, or sentence about the experience, including his motivations, discoveries, and the highlight of the journey. The answer is Patrick Kelly, a teenager on one of the first ships to arrive, described the experience as the experience of a lifetime, making new friends, discovering countries along the route, and highlighting the joy of sailing back into Belfast after the longest time away from home. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the text, explaining the text, and goodbye.